Hello friends, welcome to our channel Mind Bloom. Today I bring video about life. So let's start. Life is not about proving anyone wrong. Life is about proving yourself right. Life is not about competing against others, but life is about competing against yourself. To make sure you are better than your previous self, better than you were yesterday, to make sure you are growing every day, developing, learning, experiencing. Life is not about being perfect, it is about being happy, not all the time, but every time you can. Life is not about being right, it's about being kind. When you have a choice to be right or to be kind, choose kindness, choose love. Life is not about noticing the negatives, it's about creating such huge positive and negative pair in comparison. Life is not about you, it's about everyone, everything. We all are connected and all sharing challenges and struggles. Be kind, lift other up, give freely without expecting anything in return, and the world will return you happiness and abundance beyond your wildest dreams. Life is not all about money. You can't take it with you, so don't stress about it. This does not mean you don't deserve it or you should not have it. You can create unlimited abundance and use that to be good for others and yourself. And you do deserve it. Just don't stress about it. Money is great, but only when you use the positive intentions. Life is not about comparing yourself to others. Let everyone else be exactly as they are while you focus on being the best you. Your life is not defined by circumstances. Your life is not defined by what does or does not happen to you. It is defined by how you react to what happens to you. How you choose to react to the circumstances and events that arrive in your life. It is helpful to remember challenge and just stress. Hard times are tests and character builders. Never lose your spirit because it is in our greatest challenges that our greatest strength is formed. That is when our character shines right after the storm. What's really important is who you became throughout all life challenges. What you make and accumulate will never be matched for who you are and how much happiness you bring this world. Don't ever forget that you are a miracle. This world is blessing. Life is miracle. Life is really what you make it. Life every day like you blessed. Like every day as if you're grateful to simply be live. Be happy no matter what happens and life will be amazing adventure. It was meant to be. Your purpose and my wish for you is simple to be happy, to find happiness no matter what life throws at you. Thanks for watching. God bless. Much love. Please share and subscribe our channel.